pickup to take a look at, unique, especially in classics. 1957 GMC 100 big window pickup. As you can see, riding on the American Racing polished wheels, Firestone radials. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front of these. Incredible front end for a pickup. You think back to the mid 50s. Of course, that GMC logo in the hood. And then the 100 designation right there. But you can see how nice a chrome bright work there is up front. Color-wise, I guess I'd say it's kind of a medium blue, slate blue. Nice metallic look to it. Also remember, this will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can go to check out underside pics, engine bay pics, interior, and every angle of this truck. 347 Pontiac V8 powered. And as you can see, this came with the optional Hydromatic automatic transmission. Well, it would have been a 4-speed. 57 bench seat. Kind of a matching, little lighter gray cloth interior. Painted to match dash. There's that big window. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with transportation. Exhaust exiting on the rear side. And of course, the Stepside box on it. Bright work. And wood inlay in the rear of it. And also like a light spray and kind of to match bed liner coating on the inside as well. Also hear these called flare sides or step sides. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Very nice chrome in this vehicle, no doubt about that. Fun truck. Take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. We'll see a lot of the 57 GMCs out there, that's for sure. And also with the big window. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. We're also going to fire it up, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. Door panels. Here's that bench seat. Again, kind of a gray cloth, vinyl sides to it. Be able to see the serial number placard in with the still pictures. And like I said, underside, engine bay. We're going to start it up. Let's check out the engine bay with it running here in the video too. First, I want to give you a good look at the interior. It's pretty free of rips, tears, and holes. A couple small wear areas back here. It's actually just a little mark on there. Not really a rip. That's a little wear area. Looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right. There we go. Fired right up. Look at the old gauges. Kind of cool. Looks like the fuel gauge does work. There was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be anywhere. Well, we even got a little static on the radio. I'm going to check that out in a second too. Amp meter and oil pressure did go all the way. As you can see, I believe 1 through 2nd, 1 through 4, and 1 through 3, and 1 through 4. Anyway, Hydromatic automatic transmission. And let's check this out. No reception, but it does power up. Right down there, anything. Old GMC stereo or radio does power up. The rest of the dash. 347 Pontiac V8 underneath the hood. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this a second. I'm gonna go up, raise the hood up, check up. Here we go with the hood open. Underside of it, nice and clean. There's a battery disconnect up here. There it is. Single carb on that V8 power plant. Smooth running 347 would be considered a 5.7 liter back in the day. 1957 GMC 100 big window pickup, Stepside. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1957 GMC pickup. Very nice blue on the outside. This is an automatic on the column. Makes it easy to drive. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Let's get her up to speed. Good power when you push the pedal down all the way. Speedometer works well. Oil pressure is reading 80. That does move. When you're idling, it's about 40. Amps are charging. Temperature is over 130. And the fuel gauge is reading 3/4. This truck has a nice ride. Feels like a 57 pickup. Smooth on the road. It is windy today in Minnesota. I hear some wind noise, but that could just be because of the high winds outside. It stays in the lane when you let go of the wheel. Got a little bit of play in the steering wheel. Pretty much to be expected with this vintage truck. Our brakes work well.
Goals, finances, health, and lifestyle.
The radio does work. So we have a functioning radio that's very nice.